Honey, help!
It's grade 0 steel wool. So it's possible that the buildup is making the pole tough to grip. So we're not lubricating the pole, we're cleaning the pole with the degreaser.
Okay. This inside pole of the larger pole, depending which way to turn, it affected performance. Craig turned it counterclockwise, and we think that fixed it.
I'm glad I had this Vera Yoker wrench. It really made this job easy.
Final testing. Lift up. Stays. Lift down. Stays. Fixed. Perfect.